Hey, Gary, and this is Mike Fortner, just looking over your post here for the drum comment. This is interesting because you've got your drumming, so this is like let's say a really taut trampoline. So you've got more than just a force of gravity acting down. You've got the impact force of your hand on the drum, which would be pretty stout because it's because the drum is so stretched tight. It would be a very sharp force, uh, quick acting, I guess I should say, which is why drummers' hands are usually calloused, so it can protect them a little bit. But other than that, you got everything captured pretty well. So I just wanted to comment on that. That was a very novel one. I've seen drums before in this exercise, but not this type of drum and not in this detail. So good work.